Hello students, we're going to do some work on probability. Probability is the chance something will happen. It's a prediction. The possibility that this will happen out of this many times. We rate probability from 0 to 1, with 1 being 100% it's going to happen, or 0 being nope, it's not ever going to happen. In between here, that's your chances that it might happen. Okay, so we have predictions. And we study probability is used a lot in math and science, and anytime that there is that it's important where we make an educated prediction about something happening. Okay, say that the weather report says there's a 75% chance of rain this afternoon. 75%. Where would that put you here? Not at 100%, but greater than 50%, right? So the chances are it's going to rain this afternoon, therefore you'd want to bring your umbrella with you. If you had a chance of 1 in 1,000 of winning, let's say dinner out at Two Johns. 1 out of 1,000 chances, depends on how much you want to pay for that chance. But honestly, 1 out of 1,000, your chances aren't too good of winning that, are they? Okay, so let's do some of this worksheet that I have posted for you all to do. I want you to try to work these on your own first, and then of course always look back and work things over and over again. Sometimes just working it the first time may get the right answer, but it's not really making sense. But after you do it a couple of times, it all starts to fall into place for you. Okay, so this first sheet says determine probability. And if you read here at the top, the probability of a chance event uses a number between 0 and 1 to describe the likeliness that the event will occur. That's what we just talked about here, between 0 and 1. You can use the number of total and favorable outcomes of an event to determine the probabilities of simple or of compound events. So we'll be doing both of those, simple events and compound events. This first sheet is about simple events. When rolling a number cube or a dice labeled 1 through 6, what is the probability of rolling an even number? Okay, what are the even numbers on the dice 1 through 6? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well, the even numbers here would be 2, 4, and 6. Okay, we have a total of 6 sides. That 6 is going to go as your denominator, down south denominator. 3 of those 6 numbers are your even numbers. So 3 out of 6 times you might throw an even number. I don't see 3 out of 6 over here in my answer choices, but can I reduce 3 over 6? Can I take it to lowest terms? Well, I can, because I can divide my numerator by 3 and I can divide my denominator by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 1 out of 2, I would roll an even number. All right, number 2. If today is Tuesday, what is the probability that tomorrow is Wednesday? Okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. Does that happen every week? Yes. So the probability of that happening is 100%. 100% is 1. So here is your answer for that. It's not 1 out of something, it is 1. It's your chance of it happening is that. Okay, number 3. Janine and her 2 children are attending family fun night at the children's school. A drawing for a door prize will be held at 8 p.m. for all attending. If 390 people attend, what is the probability that someone in Janine's family will win the door prize? How many total people? Your total is going to go on the bottom as your denominator. 390. That's the total amount of people there that they will be drawing from. How many people are in Janine's family? Because what's the probability that someone in Janine's family will win? Well, there's Janine and her 2 children. That makes a total of 3 people, right? So 3 out of 390. I don't see that over here, so what are we going to have to do? Take it to its lowest terms. I can divide 3 by 3, and I can divide 390 by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 390 divided by 3 is going to be 130. You may also, if I can reach it, your TI-30XS Multiview Calculator. To turn it on and clear the memory, hit on and clear together, and you get memory cleared in the window. To put a fraction into this calculator, let's say we want to put 3 over 390. I will put 3 and then the ND right here that's above the 7, numerator over denominator. There is your fraction key. And then I can put 390. Now I want to get out of the fraction, so I have to use my scroll key right here and scroll out of that and hit enter, and when I do that, it reduces this for me to 1 over 130. So the calculator can do a lot of your work for you and save you lots of time. So I will be showing you how to do your calculator along with these problems. Clear right here. If I make a mistake, say I put 32 and oops, I meant to put 33, just hit delete and it'll take me back 1. Now I can put 33. Okay, next question. The Medford Hits baseball team has played 60 games so far this year. They have won 5 out of 8 games played on a Tuesday this season. What is the probability that the Hits will win their next game played on a Tuesday? Well, they won 5 out of 8 on a Tuesday. So what's the probability that the next Tuesday? It'd be the same probability, wouldn't it? because 5 out of 8 is the probability that they will win on a Tuesday. 5 times out of 8 they've won on a Tuesday. Therefore, this following Tuesday is still going to be the same probability, 5 times out of 8. Okay, I will be back with another page on the next video. So be sure to work these out on your own, study them, make sure they make sense to you. See you next time.